We are exploring. Today at MacArthur Park in Little Rock we are going to see a marker for the first human dissection. Opposed to an autopsy, which is the opening of the human body in order to determine the cause of death, a dissection is the opening of a body out of curiosity or to gain medical knowledge. Here we are at the marker. The first human dissection in Arkansas was made on this spot in November 1874 by James H. Leno, medical doctor, and Richard S. Vickery, medical doctor of the U.S. Army. If I remember correctly, the main building at MacArthur Park, which now houses the MacArthur Museum of Military History, was a hospital during times of the Civil War. Now we are going to see the backside of the marker. It was erected by the Arkansas Medical Society to perpetuate the early history of medicine in the state. Wow! It was erected on May 12, 1927, over 90 years ago. What a trip! I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. The first human dissection in Arkansas. Wow, that's exciting.